PHP.net listed as suspicious. Visiting this website may harm your computer. When I access php.net through Google search, I get the following message saying, "The website ahead contains malware. See the screenshot attached below." Is it same for you guys? How can I avoid this? Does this mean the site has been hacked or attacked by malware?
There's more to this. There are reports, 11 o'clock GMT October 24th, 2013, that the links have been injected to the JavaScript the site uses, and it is therefore hacked for the time being. Until you hear differently, I would avoid the site. Soon, all will be well, no doubt.
This is because Google performed a regular check on the website in the past 90 days. The results were this. Of the 13 pages we tested on the site over the past 90 days, 4 pages resulted in malicious software being downloaded and installed without user consent. The last time Google visited this site was on October 23, 2013, and the last time suspicious content was found on this site was on 2013-10-23. Malicious software includes for Trojan S. Malicious software is hosted on 4 domains, including cobbcountybankruptcylawyer.com, stephaniemari.com, northgadui.com. 3 domains appear to be functioning as intermediaries for distributing malware to visitors of this site, including stephaniemari.com, northgadui.com, setenevirviewed.co.uk. This is probably because people are leaving links to these websites throughout php.net.
And if you go to the Safe Browsing Diagnostics page, you can see that. To underscore, this site is not currently listed as suspicious. They fixed it as I posted this answer.
From the perspective of php.net itself, it seems like a false positive. This URL. On the 24th of October 2013, 6:15 and 39 seconds plus 0000, Google started saying www.php.net was hosting malware. The Google Webmaster Tools were initially quite delayed in showing the reason why, and when they did it looked a lot like a false positive because we had some minified, obfuscated JavaScript being dynamically injected into userprefs.js. This looked suspicious to us as well, but it was actually written to do exactly that, so we were quite certain it was a false positive, but we kept digging. It turned out that by combing through the access logs for static.php.net, it was periodically serving up userprefs.js with the wrong content length and then reverting back to the right size after a few minutes. This is due to an RSYNC cron job. So the file was being modified locally and reverted. Google's crawler caught one of these small windows where the wrong file was being served, but of course, when we looked at it manually it looked fine. So more confusion. We are still investigating how someone caused that file to be changed, but in the meantime we have migrated www.static to new clean servers. The highest priority is obviously the source code integrity, and after a quick git fsck, no reflog, full, stricten all our repos plus manually checking the MD5 sums of the PHP distribution files, we see no evidence that the PHP code has been compromised. We have a mirror of our git repos on github.com, and we will manually check git commits as well and have a full postmortem on the intrusion when we have a clearer picture of what happened.
Latest update at the time of posting this answer. This URL. We are continuing to work through the repercussions of the php.net malware issue described in a news post earlier today. As part of this, the PHP.NET Systems team have audited every server operated by PHP.NET and have found that 2 servers were compromised: the server which hosted the www.php.net, static.php.net and git.php.net domains, and was previously suspected based on the JavaScript malware, and the server hosting bugs.php.net. The method by which these servers were compromised is unknown at this time. All affected services have been migrated off those servers. We have verified that our Git repository was not compromised, and it remains in read-only mode as services are brought back up in full. As it's possible that the attackers may have accessed the private key of the PHP.NET SSL certificate, we have revoked it immediately. We are in the process of getting a new certificate and expect to restore access to PHP.NET sites that require SSL, including bugs.php.net and wiki.php.net, in the next few hours.